Mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, mo kí ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, mo kí gbogbo apátápátá ní orí ìkànnì aláyọ̀ yìí. Èmi ọmọ yín kọ́ mi dùn méyàn náà ni òkú ní ṣúwa kò ní rẹwà láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Àwa là ń sọ́pà ọmọ Yorùbá. A fẹ́ ìlọsíwájú ní orílẹ̀-èdè bàbá wa. A fẹ́ òmìnira ní lórílẹ̀-èdè bàbá wa. A dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí ara dẹ̀ wá, kára má ní wá. Òun ló fà á tí a fi ń wò wípé ìmọ̀ tó bá ti dín pé a ní àwọn tó bá jẹ́ àwọn olórí tí wọ́n pera wọn ní àgbàlagbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ ìlọsíwájú fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ní federal level tí wọn ò dẹ̀ fi nǹkan yẹn ṣe fún àwa ọ̀dọ́ especially àwa ọmọ Yorùbá ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Òun ló fà á tó fi jẹ́ pé a tó fi jáde wá ní àárọ̀ yìí. Àkọ́kọ́ ìwà tí mo wá láàárọ̀ yìí nítorí bàbá wa Prof Yemi Osinbajo. Wọ́n ní pé orúkọ la máa ń pe ọba aládé nítorí pé ní Nàìjíríà àwọn ìjọba wọ́n ju àwọn kábíyèsí wa lọ. Even bí tíjọba bá dé kábíyèsí máa dúró ni níbi táwọn kábíyèsí wa tí wọ́n ti sọ ara wọn jẹ ní yẹpẹrẹ lé àwọn tó bá ti jẹ́ ìjọba tí wọ́n ti sọ wọ́n lé lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n kí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n wọ́n kọrin Yorùbá national anthem tí ẹni dẹ́gbà gbọ́n pé ìlọsíwájú la máa rí. Iṣẹ́ wa fúnlẹ̀ wa. Ìṣọ̀kan àtòmìnira ní kẹ̀kẹ́ ká máa lépa tẹ̀síwájú ọ̀pọ̀ ire àtọ̀hún tó dára. Ọmọ Oòduà dìde bọ́ sípò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ. Orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ní kíákíá, orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá no going back. Mo kí bàbá mi Professor Emeritus Banji Akitoye. Mo kí bàbá mi Àdìsá Chief Dr. Sunday Adeniyi Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho Òòṣà bá mi olúwa mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo kí bàbá mi Professor Yemi Osinbajo torí pé mo ní láti mention wọn káwọn náà lè wà létí ìgbọ́ wa wípé àwa ọmọ Yorùbá ìran aládé ni wá, ògo adúláwọ̀ sì ni wá. Bẹ́yìn bàbá wa ṣe sọ ẹni pé ọmọ Yorùbá ó máa ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún àgbàlagbà nítorí pé ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ lẹ fi kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín kí a máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ nígbàkúgbà tí a bá ti rí àgbàlagbà. Mo fẹ́ kó yé yín wípé ẹ̀kọ́ tó da òun lẹ́kọ́ wà nítorí pé òun náà máa ń pè ní pé humility, and humility òun ni àgbà ohun gbogbo. Tẹ́ bá gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá káàkiri àgbáyé ibi tọ́mọ Yorùbá bá ti wà ẹ máa rí àwọ̀ Yorùbá lára wọn. Kí ló fà á? Nítorí pé ẹ kọ́ wa ní jàǹdùkú, ẹ kọ́ wa ká máa disrespect bàbá wa, ẹ kọ́ wa pé ká máa ṣe yádàdà pẹ̀lú àwọn tó bá jẹ́ àwọn àgbàlagbà wa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń tì wá sí tìkùtì, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń kọ́ wa nìkan tí ò dáa, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń kọ́ wa wípé àgbọ̀n, wípé ẹ fẹ́ kí a pọ́n, kí a dẹ̀ máa ṣiṣẹ́kúṣe. Ìdí tí mo fi wálé ní ìní pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá wa sọ, ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo, òun ló gbé mi wá sí orí ìkànnì lénìí, torí wípé tí ẹ bá fẹ́ bá irú àwọn èèyàn tí mo dárúkọ yẹn, tí ẹ bá fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ gbúdọ̀ fi kún, ẹ dẹ̀ gbúdọ̀ yọ kúrò. Nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ òun ni kẹ́ sọ fún wọn, kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá sọ ìdí tí wọ́n fi ṣe pé kò dáa àbódá. Òun ló fi jẹ́ pé mo mention bàbá mi Professor Yemi Osinbajo nínú live broadcast tí mo ṣe yìí, nítorí pé ó dàbí ẹni pé àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ tà wá sóko ẹrú, àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ká sọra wa di beast, àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ sọ wá di apàyàn, àwọn ni wọ́n fẹ́ sọ wá di ipe, torí pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wọn ò sí ní Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ti kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn ní ìwé tó yanrantí, tó yàn, tó yè koro. Àwa tí a wá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ tá à ń bọ̀, wọ́n jẹ́ kó máa yé wa wípé àgbọ̀n, wọ́n dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó máa yé wa pé nǹkan tó bá ti wù wá ká ṣe láti lè fi survive. I don't care. Bàbá wa sọ ọkàn ní àná tó dẹ̀ yẹn pé ó shake social media. Wọ́n ní why state of origin should be replaced with certificate of residence. Bàbá Professor Banja Kitoye, ẹ má bínú, bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo, wọ́n ní pé why state of origin should be replaced with certificate of residence. That word is a very strong word in Nigeria. Why the state of origin should be replaced with certificate of residence. Definitely, there is fire on the mountain, sir. Bàbá mi, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, with respect, my name remains Oyegunle Oluwamayowa. Everybody must call me the mayor. But anything that will take Yoruba down, that will bring Yoruba down as a country the way they are in the past, will speak. Because in United Nations chapter, it says all indigenous citizens have right for their self-determination. In Nigeria constitution, wọ́n sọ wípé all citizens has right for freedom of speech, but assault, lying, or defamation of character should not be allowed. In anything I will say on Professor Yemi Osinbajo today, I will never use any defamation of character, because I know what it takes in the court of law. Sir, I will quote your definition. Ẹ má bínú due to the background tó wà níbí báyìí. Ṣé mọ̀ pé àtàpátá dìde la wá? Àtàpátá dìde ni wá. Kò síná, kò sómi, wọ́n á kàwé. A ní BSc wa in engineering, but it's useless due to the system tí ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo, le render our useless. Because I will say it to her, if I didn't be, there is multi-job employment in every places in Nigeria. Ni why useless ibáyìí? Ẹ̀yin lẹ sọ wá di social media ọ̀sọ́ gangan. Nítorí pé ibẹ̀ la believe pé a ti lè sọ ohun wa kí gbogbo àgbáyé gbọ́. Now I want to quote your definition. Tẹ́ pè ní core value. when we talked about value, definition yín tí ẹ sọ nígbà tẹ́ ń bá òyìn sọ̀rọ̀, I will quote that definition. I will quote my own definition of value, and I will quote dictionary value. Definition, I will say it. I will say it. You said something that the definition of values are ethical principle by which individual and community lives, works, and interacts. Principle and interact. Point of dot. Principle is a slip of tongue. Let me repeat your definition, sir. Mr. Professor President Yemi Osinbajo. You said something about core value in our society in Nigeria. Let me define it for you again. You said value are ethical principle by which individual and community lives, works, and interacts with each other. Let me say the definition which the dictionary gave me concerning value. Value is principle or standard of behaviors, one's judgments of what is important in life. I will now say my own definition of value, sir. My own definition simply means when you are somebody that you stand with your principle, with your value. Ó mean wípé when you say ẹ fẹ́ ṣe president because Yoruba ni wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ ní èdè Yoruba tó jẹ́ pé ó máa yé mi àti yín dáadáa, torí pé èmi ò wá bá àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn Muhammadu sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Mo ń bá yín tẹ́ jẹ́ bàbá mi Professor Yemi Osinbajo, mo ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ní wípé tí ẹ bá sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ẹni tó wà valuable, kí ni achievement yín nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ló ti di yahoo? Is that part of value that ẹ fi ń ṣe vice president nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà? Gbogbo obìnrin wọ́n ti di olóṣó due to unemployment. Is that part of value tí ẹ jẹ́ sà that ẹ fi jẹ́ vice president nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà? Gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ àwàtà kàwé tí a ní masters, tí a ní BSc, tí a ní a lot of certificates láti lè jẹ́ pé a fi lè acquire job. Ṣé part of value tí ẹ jẹ́ nìyẹn? Bàbá mi sà, lọ́dọ̀ yín ní Kẹ́nẹ́ sà, torí pé mo mọ̀ pé ọmọ Kẹ́nẹ́ lẹ jẹ́. Àwa Yorùbá nation a ti lọ síbẹ̀ láti lọ ṣe rally dáadáa. A dẹ̀ rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀, bí ọ̀nà ò ṣe dá, bí ilé ò ṣe dá, bí ò ṣe sí development ní Ìkẹ́nẹ́, ní Ògèrè, ní gbogbo Ogun State as a whole. Ṣé core value tí ẹni pé ní nìyẹn sà? Tẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ jẹ́ vice president ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà sà, tẹ́tí wá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá. Ẹ má bínú pé èmi ò lè máa define value tọ̀dọ̀ tèmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí olóyìnbó, nítorí pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni wá. Is our identity. Yoruba is our identity, and I will never say pé bí a kún fẹ́ lọ jẹ́ ọmọ ìlú kan. Now, nínú nǹkan tí ẹ sọ bí báyìí, state of origin ó jáde. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, certificate of residence ó jáde. Definitely, a máa pa nǹkan tó bá ti ń pè ní state of origin. A máa parẹ́. It will not be in existence. It will not be functioning anymore. Definitely pé a ní mọ̀ nǹkan tó àti ẹni mọ̀ bí tá ti jáde wá. Tó bá mí ní pé torí pa ti kúrò, for example, bóyá mo jẹ́ ọmọ Ogun State, tó jẹ́ mo jẹ́ ọmọ Abẹ́òkúta, tí bá ti ń gbé ní Èkó, ibi tí bá ti ń gbé yẹn sìn, ibẹ̀ ló ti máa fún mi ní certificate of origin. Definitely automatically ibi tí mò ń gbé nìyẹn. Certificate of residence, I mean, ibi tí mò ń gbé yẹn, ibẹ̀ nílé mi. We say something that ẹ mú nǹkan tí wọ́n ń pè ní water bill tẹ fẹ́ pass nígbà kan sà tó jẹ́ bí wọ́n pé ẹ fẹ́ lò láti lè fi káàvù anybody pẹ̀lú resources wọn pẹ̀lú anything tí wọ́n bá ní bóyá ẹni tó lómi ni bóyá ẹni tó nílẹ̀ ni tí gbogbo wa competition ní pé nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ nítorí wípé tẹnitẹni tàkísà ń tàtàn odò tó bá dẹ̀ gbàgbé orísun ẹ̀ gbígbẹ ló máa gbẹ dìímọ̀ tẹ́ bá wá sọ fún wa wípé kí wọ́n cancel state of origin kó wá replace ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú certificate of residence ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kó máa yé wa wípé ká gbàgbé nǹkan tó bá ti ń pè ní bí abi tí a ti ṣẹ̀ wá kò dá bàbá mi kò dá sa tí ẹ bá ń sọ yẹn fún wa dájúdájú ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kó máa yé wa wípé kò sí ìdókàn yìí mọ́ nípa bóyá tí ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Yorùbá definitely pera yẹn ní jẹ́ orúkọ tẹ́ ń pè ní pé Professor Yemi Osinbajo kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ because why ni wípé ẹ máa feel pé you are just ordinary Nigeria and I will tell you something àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn Hausa which people in the north they can never deprive their origin because they up till now wọ́n sì dúró lórí origin yẹn tí a bá wá sọ wípé a fẹ́ cancel state of origin everybody ní Nigeria kí a wá gbé certificate of residence wọlé ó mìíní wípé tí àwọn Mali bá wá láti from every part of the world must be mo kí yín Mr. Yemi Mọ́pẹ́yẹmí mo kí yín mo kí everybody ó mìíní wípé tí gbogbo àwọn tó bá yẹ pé àwọn tó wà ní Mali àwọn Chad gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní Cameroon tó wà ní outside the country tó bá wá di bí yẹn pé wọ́n lè wá rent ilé ní Èkó tó bá ti wá rent ilé ní Èkó definitely pé ibi tó bá ti ń gbé yẹn ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n wà nìyẹn àdánìtì tó bá ṣe ń bẹ̀ ó ti dàṣe gbé wọ́n lè irú kan tá a fi wá ń pariwo ń pè à ọmọ Ìgbò fẹ́ di gómìnà l'Ékòó ọmọ Ìgbò fẹ́ di gómìnà l'Ékòó it will never happen again because ó mìíní wípé wọ́n ti gba certificate of residence ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti deprive the indigenous ara yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí pé my state of origin is Abẹ́òkúta ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí the mọ́tò ti jẹ́ bí yẹn pé tí bá wá kúrò ní bí mo jẹ́ ọmọ mo kúrò l'Abẹ́òkúta mo wá travel lọ sílẹ̀ Ìgbò ibi tí bá ti lè gba certificate of residence yẹn ibẹ̀ ni mo máa claim gẹ́gẹ́ bí ibi tí mo wà kí ló dé tẹ̀yìn bàbá wa fi ń ṣe wá báyìí ẹ bá yí àwa ọ̀dọ́ jẹ́ to the extent pé àwa relevant more in society even wípé à ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ni who is talking because we have no any value we have no any integrity in your sight kàwá kún pé ajé èèyàn ẹ ti kàwá kún pé ẹranko ni wá tó bá wá dín pé wá mú irú àìdíà yẹn wá láti máa sọ wípé nísìnyí o why state of origin should be replaced why state of origin should be replaced definitely we cancel the state of origin and we replace with certificate of residence kí ló tó fi jẹ́ wípé àwa Yorùbá yìí náà la máa ń da gbogbo everything rú kí ló fà á kí ló dé ṣe fẹ́ sọ wá di monster ni ṣe fẹ́ lé wa kúrò nínú ìlú ni ṣe fẹ́ sọ wá di pé àjẹ́ kankan mọ́ ni kí ló dé Professor Yemi Osinbajo kí ló dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí sìn tó bá sọ pé àwọn tí wọ́n dámọ̀ káàkiri àgbáyé they know you tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí bí wọ́n pé àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà they know you tó bá tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ bí láti inú yín kò sí tó ń gbé nínú Nàìjíríà bí kò sí tó ń gbé ní Kẹ́nẹ́ kò sí tó ń gbé lógèrè kò sí tó ń gbé níbi tẹ́ ti jáde kí láǹfààní tẹ́ fi wá pera yín ní pé leader Yorùbá you are a professor ẹ lọ sí primary school láti nínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ lọ sí secondary school nínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ lọ sí university nínú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kó tó wá dípò Ọlọ́run wá ṣe wá travel across abroad ìgbà tẹ́ wá ṣe bó professor tẹ́ wá jẹ́ tán ìṣèkẹ́ wá ṣe àǹfààní yẹn fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ó wá dípò ilé wa sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ palẹ̀ Yorùbá run because that is indirectly what you are saying if you say they should replace state of origin as certificate of residence simply means you want to kill every region in their country ó máa pay Yorùbá àbí ó máa pay àwọn Fúlàní but it will never pay with the Yorubas, because normally it is our the beast and you are pushing us to the wall. Ó dàbí ẹni pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa pa àwọn tó bá jẹ́ àwọn àgbàlagbà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá dà pé wọ́n ń threaten wa, tó bá dẹ̀ nípa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe yẹn ẹ̀yin náà lè máa wá sọ pé those guys they are terrorists, they are the ones tormenting us. We are doing our agitation peacefully. Kò sí nínú rẹ́kọ̀dì pé Chief Sunday Adéyẹmọ wọ́n pa anybody nígbà tí à ń ṣe ní rally. Kò sí nínú rẹ́kọ̀dì pé Professor Banji Akitoye wípé wọ́n pa anybody nígbà tá à ń ṣe peaceful rally. But you, the federal government, are the one pushing us to the wall. Everyone got their son Biafra. You have turned them to beasts. You that turned them to beasts, you, this same person, you are still the one that tagged them as terrorists. Due to that, you are pushing them to the wall. We, the same Yoruba nation, you still want to push us to the wall. Ẹgbẹ́ water bill wa, ẹ̀rí pé gbogbo àwa condemn ẹ tí wọ́n fẹ́ lo ọ̀nà míì láti máa sọ wípé we should replace our state of origin as certificate of residence. Ó dàbí ẹni tó kọ́lé tẹ wá níbi amẹ́kọ́ wá di ẹni mẹ̀rẹ́ǹtì nínú ilé tó fowó ààrẹ ẹ̀kọ́ kó ta ilé yẹn, tó bá ti wá ta ilé yẹn tán á wá sọ nulẹ̀ á wá dípò òun náà máa yálé lò á máa yálé gbé. It's impossible. We the youth of Yoruba land say we don't want that, because why Nimpe is a way of turning us to slave. Because anybody that don't has his own identity is a slave in another man's land. Definitely in Nigeria, you want to turn us to a slave. Why? Kilo de Prof Yemi Osinbajo. You are never successful in just achieving light in all your administration in 8 years. You have never successful in achieving good road in 8 years in your administration. You have never successful in achieving free education in all tertiary institutions in your 8 years. Is it by we merging everybody together is the solution in Nigeria? Is it by we turning ourselves to a monster in a country called Nigeria? That is when you will know that these people are ready to live. When we fight, I'm a pada joko sorry table we want to go. When we don't fight, I'm a pada joko sorry table that we don't want to go. We want to go. Is it when you now turn us to monster? The youth of Yoruba land, is it then we will know that you are a true leader? Oshikula there be 2 months or 3 months. Kekuro. E wa fe ba gbogbo eje fe fo gbogbo e lójú. Wọ́n ní pé òótọ́ korò. But it's good for we to say the truth to ourselves. Professor Yemi Osinbajo, you are not doing anything enough in a country. And you yourself know, wípé Yoruba is a country on its own. But there is no way they will definitely explode. Ó dàbí ẹn pé kí a jọ gbégbéyàwó tí a bá gbégbéyàwó tó jẹ́ bí ẹn pé ó ń fagídí múyàn tí ìyàwó àtọkọ ò bá divorce ara wọn wọ́n máa padà para wọn mọ́nú lé ni. Something that can never work, and you are trying to initiate it. Your administration has looked for all ways to merge Nigeria as one, but it can never work. Because why? Nimpe ọmọ Yoruba lèmi, I speak in Yoruba language. I'm proud of Yoruba culture. I'm proud of Yoruba ethics. As a nation, I'm proud of Yoruba nation, because Yoruba is a nation before the British colonize us, before the amalgamation comes in. But you can never forcefully and force the relationship together, which can never work. For example, báwo lẹ ṣe máa sọ wípé kí Hausa tó jẹ́ Fúlàní kó wá máa papọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé àjọ ní àṣà àti ìṣe kan náà? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kí Igbo àti Yorùbá jọ méjì papọ̀ tí wọn ọjọ́ ní àṣà àti ìṣe kan náà? Ṣó wọ́ọ̀kì ni? Báwo lẹ̀yin jẹ́ pera yín ní olórí Yorùbá tẹ́ ṣe ń ṣe báyìí fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá? It's unfair. àwọn ọmọ tí wá ń sìn wọn ò ní future tá à ń try láti máa find all ways láti lè jẹ́ káwọn náà wá okay. As a human being, you got your own future. Your children is okay in every places they are, in every part of the world, which I'm sure kò sọmọ Professor Yemi Osinbajo tó wà ní Nàìjíríà yìí. Kò síná, kò sómi, kò síléwé ọkọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́. Mo blame bọ̀bọ̀ yìí tó pèrè ní Zazu àbí kí ló pèrè bọ̀bọ̀ Zazu yẹn tó sọ pé the country is like we are living in animal country. I wouldn't use that terms. The country is like living in animal. You merge lion together with elephant. You merge elephant together with crocodile. Crocodile with oríṣiríṣi animal. Our merge ara papọ̀. How do you want it to be okay? We got to give ourselves a space so that we can live a peaceful life in a country called our home. Yoruba nation is the only solution that can solve the problem of this country. There is no way, no doubt about it. Kò yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe báyìí fún wa, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, ẹ̀yin kábíyèsí wa, nítorí pé ẹ rí pé alágbára. Tá bá bọ́ sí gboro tá dàgbòrò rú, ẹ̀yin náà lè máa sọ pé àwọn ọmọ jàǹgùdùkú ni wọ́n, àwọn ọmọ jìbìtì ni wọ́n, àwọn ọmọ ìkà ni wọ́n, wọn ò ní future ni. Ṣẹ́yìn fún wa ní future yẹn. America ti gbogbo yín lọ, they don't make a speech in there. Is that the way they are treating their citizens? London ti gbogbo yín lọ, tí ẹ lọ make a speech in there. Is that the way they are treating their citizens? Australia ti ẹ lọ, they don't give a speech in there. Is that the way they are treating their citizens? Is this the way they are treating their citizens? Kí ló dé ẹ kọ́ máa tì nǹkan bọ̀ wá lára? Àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń lò láti máa jẹ́ kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ iná lọ́mọ Yorùbá. Mo blame Nnamdi Kanu tó sọ pé àwọn Yorùbá iná lọ́ máa ń lò. That is why ní 1960 Ahmadu Bello said something. We will make Nigeria as an estate for our forefathers, Madam Fodio. What is unable to achieve then, who will achieve it? Every people in the south, maybe they are intelligent, they are unique. We will draw them as the willing tools. And with them, we can clamoring on every people. That is what is really happening now. They draw Babawa, Professor Yemi Osinbajo as the willing tools to be working against the Yorubas, which is not supposed to be. You have no any value to the society. You have no any value to the society of Yoruba people. You have no any value, I will say, because when I will say the function to one in no value. Tí bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo tí wọ́n sọ categories tó wà nù value of people. I will say it, and I will say the definition he mentioned again. Wọ́n ní pé value are ethical principle by which individual and community lives, works, and interacts with it. The function of values. We have honesty. Honesty is the main thing in life. In anything you are doing and you are not honest with it, definitely you don't know what you are doing. Sir, ẹ ti wọlé láti we are to 15, I think. Since that to 15, up till now, kí ni nǹkan tó change nínú Nigeria? No, that is honesty. And then they promise a lot of things. If they for Nigeria, we have never seen one single thing that you were achieved. Honesty here definitely is zero in your administration, sir. Another thing is integrity. Integrity is not about just sitting. Sometimes you come out and talk. Integrity is what you do, is what you act, is everything that you know. You are doing it to the society, and the society are seeing it that you are doing it. That is what they call integrity. What has the integrity tí bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo tí wọ́n ti ṣe ní Nigeria or ilẹ̀ Yoruba? I've never seen it, because part of that integrity has to be integrity is what you say you want to do. When you say you want to do something and you do it, rinolo romilo kò síléèwé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ kò sóúnjẹ àtúnrawọ́ nínú Nigeria. We are buying money inside Nigeria up to now. Wọn ò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún wa ní owó lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Is that integrity, sir? Another thing, trustworthiness. That is core value, functionality. Trustworthiness. Trustworthiness. Trustworthiness is a very strong word. I trust you, you trust me. When you get to that place, you will do what will make me to feel that will make me to be convenient. Tí mo wọ́n ti bá ń fẹ́, a máa fẹ́, a dẹ̀ máa rí lásìkò tó bá dára. Bàbá mi sà, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ sọ nígbà ẹ máa ṣe láti 215 yẹn, ṣé nǹkan tí ẹ ṣe fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá nìyẹn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Ṣé nǹkan tí ẹ ṣe fún wa nìyẹn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ má máa jẹ́ kí ẹ má máa jẹ́ kó dàbí ẹ pé ẹ má máa sọ wá di beast. We are a peace-loving people. You train us to be loyal. You train us to be a good person in society. But other people, bóyá ọmọ Fúlàní ni, bóyá ọmọ Ìgbò, wọ́n wà humility bí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe rí. Kí ló dé? This don't supposed to be, sir. Perseverance. When we talk about perseverance, sir, I'm using your words to quote what you said, sir, because I know that gbogbo orúkọ báyìí àwọn tó bá já àwọn ọlọ́pàá ìyẹn lọ́wọ́ máa ń tẹ́tí mọ́. I will say everything under law, which I will not use defamation of character. That you say this is not what you said. Every word you say is what I will use to do this program. Mo ní yọ kúrò mo dẹ̀ ní fi kún, like the promise I made, and which you too will be listening. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá wa, see the environment I am. You will know there is no light. A ṣe ń tan torchlight ká tó fi máa ríran to be doing what we are doing. We are on a generator to power our phone, our things, which is not supposed to be. Perseverance. Perseverance is the heart of commuting yourself with the people you are governing. Every time, báwo ni kí lẹ nídìí ńbẹ̀ yẹn, kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ṣé kò sí wàhálà, ṣé everything wà okay, ṣé kò sí kinní kan, igbá kan. That is what they call perseverance. But I see no with it, sir. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa hard working. Ẹ mọ ẹ̀yà Yorùbá wípé àwa Yorùbá a jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ bí yá pé iṣẹ́ tẹ́ fi kọ́ wa ní pé ká máa ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn. Nǹkan tó jẹ́ bí yá pé a ó fi máa rówó, tá ó fi máa ṣe nǹkan tó bá dára ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí a bá ti wà. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ fún wa wípé kí a máa ṣe nǹkan ọ̀ní, nǹkan tí wọ́n fi gbé wa dàgbà nìyẹn. Gbogbo kíní ìsìn ibẹ̀ làwọn Fúlàní ń wọlé sí, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń pa àwọn olóko, tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn àgbẹ̀, tí wọ́n ṣìṣekúṣe pẹ̀lú wọn, ìmíì wọ́n á rẹ́pù wọn. Báwo lè ṣe fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wà hard working tó yẹ pé láti lọ sínú oko gan àwa save mọ́, ọkàn wọn ò balẹ̀ mọ́, inú wa ò dùn mọ́. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni pé hard working. Kí gbogbo wọn tá à ń sọ yìí, kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ti ṣe nínú core value tí ẹ sọ sà? Discipline. I said something before. Nǹkan tẹ́yìn bàbá wa fi kọ́ wa, òun ní pé ká wà discipline. Òun ló prompt any places tọmọ Yorùbá bá ti wà. A máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ fáwọn tó bá já àwọn àgbàlagbà wa. A ní rí wọn fín. Ohun tá a bá dẹ̀ ń ṣe, ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan tẹ́ pé ó máa dùn mọ́ ẹ̀yin bàbá wa nínú. Ṣóyè yín sà, òun ló fi jẹ́ pé a gbọ́dọ̀ wà discipline. But nígbà tó bá di pé ìyà ń jẹ wá, ebi ń pa wá, àríṣẹ́ ṣe, àrí nǹkan ṣe, wọ́n tún ní wá lára níbi tá ti ń ṣọrọ̀ ajé wa. Bóyá nínú oko ni, bóyá níta ni, bóyá anything ni, nígbà tí ó bá ti sówó, báwo la ṣe fẹ́ wá discipline sà? Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ sọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ yìí o. Mo sọ fún yín, mo ní pé mo ò ní yọ kúrò, mo ò dẹ̀ ní. And I will never use defamation of character. And anywhere you have done all these things I've been saying, Ejebawa send it. It's not about sending Lekki, Abiaja. It's about the grassroots. What have they done in our roads? As on about patience. That is it. Patience. Ejebawa share broadcast wayi. Ebawa share, ebawa like it. I'm saying this to send message to Babawa, Professor, President, Your Excellency, Yemi Osinbajo, ni mo send message yìí sí. Ede ìjọba mi jẹ́ kó dọ́dọ̀ wọn because ẹnu tó bá dákẹ́ tàbí àbá dákẹ́ o. Bẹ́ ṣe fara ni wá ó ti tó gẹ́ àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ má ká ṣí ká yíjú padà sí yín because this is bad. This is very bad. Ẹ sọ nípa patience nínú core value tí ẹ sọ. Patience is very good in every field of life. But tí patience bá ti pọ̀ jù níṣe lè máa sọ wá di ọ̀dẹ̀. Patience òun ni wípé kí ẹ ní sùúrù láti máa observe iṣẹ́ tí ẹ bá ń ṣe. But kí ni àwọn àǹfààní tí a ti rí nínú àwọn patience tí a ti ń ṣe láti 1960 tí a ti gba independent up to now? We see nothing. And you and I know wípé we are using 1999 constitution tó dẹ̀ ń pé ó against gbogbo àwa tí à ń gbé especially àwọn tàwa ní south because why ni pé bàbá mi professor Yemi Osinbajo ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ ṣe òfin yẹn sà. Àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn Hausa àwọn ni wọ́n ṣe òfin yẹn sà. Òfin iná lẹ̀dẹ̀ ń lò tẹ̀lẹ̀ fi ń jọba lé wa lórí. Show me ni wípé a tún máa ṣe patience nínú nǹkan tí ò dá ni. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa respectfulness. Inú mi dùn báyìí náà mọ̀ wípé gbogbo quality tẹ̀ dárúkọ yìí nǹkan táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ní nìyẹn torí mo respect yín dáadáa sà. Torí pé bàbá mi lẹ jẹ́ ìmọ̀ tẹ́ ti jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá. Bàbá mi lẹ jẹ́ àwa níwárí torí pé ẹ̀rù ń bà wá láti sọ̀rọ̀ kẹwàá tì wá sínú wọ́ọ̀ tó máa wá di wípé ọmọ ògàn ní àti ẹ̀wá ní mọ́bí ti wá mọ́. And that is where you are taking us to. If you can say that we should replace our state of origin as a certificate of our residence, simply means anybody can come from any part of the world to come and claim Nigeria as their sovereign nation. Definitely, life wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí bẹ ṣe kọ́ wa pé ká jẹ́ ẹni tó wà tó nẹ́mí rẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹni tó yẹ pé ó máa ń ní sùúrù gbogbo sùúrù yẹn kò wá ní mọ́ kò ní value mọ́ nítorí pé ẹ ti sọ wá di beast kó tó wá di bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ sà àwa ọ̀dọ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá à ń fi àsìkò yìí sọ fún bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ má sọ àwa ọ̀dọ́ di monsters. Ẹ má sọ àwa ọ̀dọ́ di beast. Ẹ má sọ àwa ọ̀dọ́ di ẹni tí ó mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe mọ́ láyé. Ẹ má sọ àwa ọ̀dọ́ di ẹni tó wà useless to come live. Dead in a living is dead already and is living. And that is the kind of position tí gbogbo àwa ọ̀dọ́ especially àwọn tá jẹ́ nílẹ̀ yìí tá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tí a ti jẹ́ báyìí. We are living and most of us are dead already. Please, I'm begging you, don't let the House of Assembly ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n pass irú law yìí because if they pass it àwọn ọmọ yín kan máa jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ o. Ẹ ti dàgbà. I believe you are over 60 sir. Kò sí ibi tẹ́ bá wà tẹ́ gbé jẹ́ vice president jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹ máa fi ipò yẹn lẹ̀ ni tó bá yẹ iná máa dé ní àná bọ̀kọ́ tẹ́ bá ti ṣe nígbà tẹ́ wà nínú ipò òun làwọn máa sọ nípa yín o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo a bẹ̀ yín ní pé kẹ́ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀ yín ni ìdẹ ni wọ́n lára ti tó o ìdẹ fi àjẹwọ́ ti tó gẹ́ o ìyí tó jẹ́ bí wọ́n pé ẹ sọ wá dì rádaràda àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa ti di yahoo àwọn obìnrin ti di olóṣó tán àárọ̀ náà gbà mọ́ kò síṣẹ́ nílùú. I check mo wo percentage unemployed youth tó wà ní Nigeria. We are over 70%. We are over 70% unemployment youth. A máa kàwé, a máa graduate tí a bá mọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ńdẹ́jẹ́ Ọ̀ṣínbàjò báyà lè ríṣẹ́. Tí a bá mọ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó lágbára ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà a lè ríṣẹ́ kí wá láǹfààní. And we want our children to not suffer the way we are suffering right now. We want our unborn children to not suffer the way we are suffering right now. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, it's better kí ẹ kọjọ́ ṣì wà tẹ́ máa fi parí tenure yín than kó wá di wípé ẹ máa wá fi nǹkan tí ò dálẹ̀. It's bad. It's bad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, I'm saying this with humility, not disrespecting you, not tarnishing your image. I'm saying it with what you said. And I quote, we can never replace our state of origin for certificate of residence. It's impossible. It's impossible. Onílé òní padà wá di tani, onílé òní padà wá di ayálégbé. It's impossible. That is what you are telling us. Àwa tá jẹ́ indigenous people of the land. Kí a wá padà di residents. It's impossible. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fi àsìkò yìí bẹ̀ yín ni. Àwa ọ̀dọ́, I'm speaking on behalf of all the old youth. We are condemning this, sir. We are condemning this. It's not for disrespecting you, but it's for the betterment of the land. It's for the progress of Yoruba race. It's for the Yoruba race to know that this is our freedom. We have gotten our independence in Nigeria since 1960. The British amalgamated us in 1914, which they merged different kind of nations together to form one. And you and I know, Nigeria can never work at all, because due to everything that is happening, there are some people that stood, that said, this is what we want. And there are some people that say, this is what we don't want. And we'll be having problem because we are not the same nationality. We are not the same ethics. We are not the same tribe. Please get that. Tí a bá yọ English kúrò nínú nǹkan tí gbogbo wa ń sọ nínú Nigeria, we are nobody. Whenever you want to give your speech, you give your speech with English. English is not my father's origin. English is not my mother's origin. Ọmọ Yoruba ni mí. Ilẹ̀ Yoruba la bí mi sí. Èdè Yoruba ni mò ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ẹ lè wá sọ wípé kí gbogbo wa máa gba certificate of residence tí a dẹ̀ ní state of origin. Tó jẹ́ certificate wọ́n fi bí wa níbi tí a ti ṣẹ̀ wá, níbi tí a jọ́ ọmọ bẹ̀. It's impossible, sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má jẹ́ ká fa anarchy. English is a borrowed language. Tí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé is a borrowed language. Sir, we condemn this. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, we condemn this because if you never work for the development of Nigeria, it will only cause anarchy. It will only cause fighting. And we don't want fight. We want peace. And that is why we are clamoring for Yoruba nation. Ó dẹ̀ wà nínú United Nations chapter that all indigenous has right for their self-determination. We have all right to say this is what we want. Ó wá wà kẹ́yìn tẹ́ jẹ́ ìjọba wa kí ẹ wá forí korí kẹ́ fukùn lukùn. Báwo la ṣe lè ṣe láti lè try láti lè convince àwọn ẹni yìí bóyá everything máa lọ positively ni àbí negatively ni ẹ mọ̀ láàrin ara yín kí lọ síwájú dẹ̀ lè bá wa. And with the youth, we stand for Yoruba nation because that is our origin. Ilẹ̀ Yoruba la bí wa sí. Èdè Yoruba lẹ́ ń sọ. Tí ẹ bá dé àárín Yoruba, ẹ máa sọ èdè Yoruba tó máa dùn. Tí ẹ bá dé àárín àwọn Igbo, ẹ lè sọ Igbo English lẹ máa sọ. Tí ẹ bá dé àárín àwọn Hausa, ẹ lè sọ Hausa. Àbẹ́fẹ́ sọ Fulani, English lẹ máa sọ. tẹ́ máa fi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ó mean ni pé that's our truly identity as our state of origin. Sir, I'm saying this again with humility. We the Yoruba people, especially the youth, we condemn this. It can never work. Mo advice yín ni, it can never work. Mo pàṣẹ torí pé a kì í pàṣẹ fún bàbá wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. A máa ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún wọn ni. A máa ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún wọn ni. Like I said, I will never use defamation of character, but I will quote you with the word you said concerning that value. Sir, we need to work on that value and make that value perfect. That's the only way. We know we are for peace in Yoruba land, and even in Nigeria. It is good to separate in a very easy way than to not separate in an anarchy, fights, backbiting, causing each other, destabilize everybody, killing each other. It will not be good in a court of law. Sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá wa take note. Kẹ̀dẹ̀ try láti adjust. Torí pé we the Yoruba youth, we are for peace. We are not for war. But it seems like our elderly people are pushing us to the war. I want to cause that peace yet fi kọ́ wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ká má disrespect àwọn bàbá wa, kí a wà discipline. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, nǹkan méjì yìí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ṣì ní lọ́wọ́ o. We will never disrespect the elderly one. We will never disrespect you. And we are well-disciplinary person. So please, I beg you. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, inú àwa ọ̀dọ́ ò dùn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. We are suffering. À ń rawọ́ ní Nàìjíríà. Kò sí iná ní Nàìjíríà. Kò sí good hospitality ní Nàìjíríà. Kò sí free education ní Nàìjíríà. Kò sí ọ̀nà tó dá ní Nàìjíríà. Láti 1960 tí a ti wà up to now, we benefit nothing in Nigeria. They claim they collected money. Wọ́n fáwọn èèyàn. Ever since when I've been Timothy nǹkan tó pè Nigeria, I've never benefited any single thing in Nigeria. Bóyá wọ́n fún wọn lówó ni o, I don't get any money. Bóyá wọ́n fún wọn nípò ni o, I don't get any position. Bóyá wọ́n fún wọn lẹ́nìtì ni o, bóyá healthcare ni o. So why are we still living in that contraction? Tó jẹ́ bí wọ́n pé ó ń pa àwọn èèyàn wa. Ẹ wo time cashless policy. Kò sí àwọn èèyàn olóyún kú. Ẹlòmíì sick, ó faint. Ẹlòmíì kò ní strength nítorí kò sówó tó fẹ́ fi take care rẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kú. Is that the kind of country we want to build? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, I'm begging you with my statement. I know I'm not provoking any soldier, any law enforcement, because I'm saying fact. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa sọ fún pé ọmọdé gbọ́n, àgbà gbọ́n la fi dálẹ̀ Ifẹ̀. And that is where we the Yoruba were trained. We are trained to be respectful. We are trained to be disciplined. And that is why I'm saying all this, not to tarnish Professor Yemi Osinbajo image, but I'm saying this, that this is what is still need to be done. That idea, then we can move state of origin wa, ka saw the residents here, is out of it, sir. By passing the law bill, water bill law, is out of it, sir. It's not the solution. The solution is for we to sit down, if possible restructuring, and if the restructuring cannot be effect anymore, let's disintegrate the country. I believe that's the only solution that will bring happiness, peaceful, hopefully, to the society. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo kí gbogbo pátápátá, kò ní sú wa, kò ní rẹ̀ wá. In my statement, I use value tí bàbá wa Professor Yemi Osinbajo tí wọ́n fi teach àwọn kan, òun ni mo fi relate pẹ̀lú kan tí wọ́n sọ pé kí state of origin wa ká sọ di certificate of residence. As you know, and everything I said, quote me, I'm not here to destroy anybody's image, but what is needful to be done, those are the things we need. And I will make progress as a nation to move forward. Ẹ ṣé gan lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí èmi ọmọ yín Comrade Omoyo náà ni o. Oòduà gbé wa onígbé ọ̀dàlẹ̀. Yoruba nation no going back. Ìgbòho ṣá. Ẹ ṣé gan.